gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, next up, I want to show you a few things that I got from Ulta. So from Ulta, I got these little Christmas themed hand wipes that I'm going to keep in my purse. They're scented, and I haven't smelled them yet. I haven't even opened them. So this is peppermint. Let's smell it. I don't smell peppermint at all. Y'all, I don't smell no peppermint. What the freak? Okay, the next one is... Alright, so next up is the sugar cookie one. Hopefully this one has a scent. It says scented wipes. It says scented wipes, y'all. It literally says it right here. Okay, let's see. And it's 15 wipes that come in here. They were only $1 though, so let's see. Struggling. These smell a little sweeter. These might, you know what? Let me take, I do smell the sugar cookie one. Let me take this wipe out and I'll actually use it to get my swatches off my arm. These colors are beautiful. Beautiful browns. Love it. Still don't smell peppermint. I was excited to smell peppermint. It would be weird for a wipe, but still. I don't smell no peppermint. Also, I got these little applicators, Sweet and Shimmer sponge applicators. They look like this, and I like the colors, pink of course, and then red for Christmas. And then I also got some nail appliques for the next time I do my nails. I'm going to use these little stickers and put them on my nails. Very cute. Next, all right, moving on, I got some Buxom lip gloss. People have been talking about Buxom lipsticks and lip glosses for a long time, and these are their Plumping lip gloss sets. Now I didn't get it for Plumping, but I still feel like it's so fun to even try it. So I got two colors in here, the pink one, and then there's like a clear shimmery one. I'll show you what it looks like, and I have tried these already. I really like them. I like how they feel like all pepperminty, and the pigment on here is really good as well. So this is what it looks like. This is like a mini bottle. I got this. I can't wait to try this. I've been saving this for a video, y'all. This is from e.l.f. This is the Poreless Putty Primer with Hydrating Squalene in it. Now, you put this on under your foundation, and I can't wait to try it out and see what it's about. Try it out and see what it's about. Apply a thin, even amount, blah, 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 to moisturize skin. Moisturize your skin, that's so important. Allow to set for 30 seconds before applying foundation. Can't wait to use this. Haven't opened it up, haven't tried. I haven't even smelled it. Smells okay. This just feels like a solidified primer. It doesn't feel like a putty though. I don't get putty from it. All right, and then lastly, I finally got me some more Shape Tape, but this time I got the full size, and I got a hydrating primer to go along with it, and a setting spray, and a mini sponge, all for the price of like one Shape Tape. Came in this very cute, okay, tart with the really cute tissue paper. This little behind sponge, I don't know what I'm using for, maybe under my eyes, and then this little behind setting spray, cute for travel. And oh, this little bitty thing, this is the primer, tiny primer. And then I got my full size of my Shape Tape. Okay, double duty beauty, double duty beauty. I like it. Oh my gosh, I forgot I got a different color. I got it in deep. I think the other one was deep sand, and so I got deep this time. Pretty color though, under eye color. I love the Sharp Tape, I love the Tarte Shape Tape. It does a really good job as a concealer under the eye. Lastly, I wanted to try the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. This is supposed to like keep the makeup locked and loaded on your face, mask or no mask. It's supposed to keep the makeup there. Yeah, anyways, so that was that. All right, next up I want to show you what I got from TJ Maxx. Here's the bag. then I got just a few things, y'all. For Christmas, I got some little hair bells to like wear in my hair and jingle jangle. I also got this press-on nail kit. It's 7 days of press-on nails by Style Essentials. These are metallic. These are going to be furry. These are furry nails. These are beaded nails. They call them caviar, velvet, metallic, ombre nails here. These are the matte colored nails. This is the crackle ones, and then this is 3D glitter. I'm excited about this. This cost me $10, I believe. Yeah, it was $10 for this whole kit. And then yeah, these I'm feeling press-ons lately, so even in this video I'm wearing my press-ons, but you do have the issue of them popping off. This one popped off after the first day, and I'm mad about that. So she's gonna stay off because you know what, it is what it is. Next up, I got a makeup product, another makeup product to show you guys. This one is Urban Decay's Velvetizer. So this was $3.99. Basically, it says that you add this into a foundation that doesn't have a matte finish or a velvety finish, and when you add this product into your foundation, it'll make your foundation be velvety. Next up, I got some earrings, but the guy was like jamming, like he was doing too much. I got these. They probably won't be worn until springtime, but hey, I might wear them tomorrow. You never know. But these are so cute. Some hoop earrings with some cute little designs on the hoop. The last thing I got from TJ Maxx is something for my doggy baby. I got him this Christmas tree. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And it has 3 squeakers in here, y'all. If you have a dog, you already know their main objective is to open this up and get the squeaker out. Blue is definitely going to have so much fun getting the squeaker out, but there's 3 of them in here in each level. It squeaks, and it has the plastic sound. He loves that sound. Lastly, I want to show you guys what I got from Beautylish. I have not opened this up. All right, so this is what it looks like. Y'all, when I started opening this up earlier, I was like, you know what, I don't want to open it up because I've never ordered anything from them. Oh my gosh, I didn't even read this. It says packaged with love in San Francisco, and it's packed by Jara. It looks like Jara, J-A-R-A. But yeah, this is so cute. This is so cute, y'all. All right, I'm gonna flip it like this to get it out. All right, so let me show you. It came like this, and it's open on the side. What is this? I don't think I ordered this. What is this? Did they give me the wrong order? I didn't order this. Is this a sample? Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. So I got a brightening toner from Good Molecules and some moisturizer. And it came in this bag that says Beautylish. I don't know if I ordered this. I don't remember. And I don't have a shipping label in here. All right, let me see if I ordered that, y'all. I got the shipping label now. Yeah, I didn't order that. Maybe that was just a little, oh, I got a sample. Yes, they gave me a sample. I see it. It says sample right here. All right. Now, for what I ordered this Beauty Blender Liner Designer. So basically, it comes with, I can't open it now, but it comes with this little tool right here. This tool, you put it on your eye, and it's supposed to help you come up with a better eyeliner, like a wing liner look. So I'm excited for that. And you keep it in this little container right here, and then you can like suction it on like the mirror or something for you to always have it and it be available for you. I'm excited. I wanted to try some new stuff, y'all. What's new Wednesday? That's what's new. All right, next up, y'all, the internet went so crazy when these first came out. These are the Juno microfiber sponges. I got the yellow one, and I'm gonna open it up. I haven't opened it up yet, but people said it's so soft and it's so good and it's velvety. That was years ago. I don't follow trends, so I come up on stuff years later, y'all. Okay, finally got it open. It does feel different. It does feel like the texture of it feels like velvet. It feels like velvet. It's velvet. And it came with this little stuff, like how to clean it and stuff. All right, next up, I got, ooh, I see the one I'm most excited about. But this one is the Scandinavia post makeup recovery spray. And I wanted this. It came with 2. I don't know how much I paid for these, but they weren't over $20. It is a post makeup recovery spray that gently clears your pores and helps prevent breakouts. We are supposed to, well, I am going to use this immediately after removing my makeup. For the big reveal, this is the main reason why I ordered from Beautylish. I ordered from Beautylish for this product. I also wanted this color, and I don't think it was offered on her website. Actually, the color looks like it has changed over the years, and the one on Beautylish looks like the original color. I need the original color of Wild Orchid, and it looks like she switched the pigment up. So I'm hoping that this pigment color is the one that I want. It is. It is. Look at this color. Look at how electric that is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is not on her website. This shade is not on her website. I needed this because I have a purse that's this color. And I love to match my makeup with what I'm wearing, y'all. This is why I got it. I haven't even mentioned who she is. This is Danessa Myricks. Danessa Myricks is a makeup artist, but she also has her own makeup brand called Danessa Myricks Cosmetics, I believe. And this is her Color Fix cream color, and it's a matte liquid pigment that you can use on your lips, your cheeks, or your eyes. I got it for the eyes, and I'm so excited. I want to cry, y'all. I've wanted this for years, at least 2 or 3 years. I've wanted this. I need to show y'all the purse that I got to match. All right, y'all, so I just went and got the bag that I bought this eyeshadow for. Again, here's the eyeshadow. Here is the bag to match. Oh my gosh, they're twins. I want to cry so bad. Oh my gosh. I'll see you guys in the next What's New Wednesday.